Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to upload your own custom invoice format in Xero, step by step. I'm using a demo company account, so even if you're totally new to Xero, you can follow along easily. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. On the dashboard, click on your company name on the top left and make sure you're inside your demo company US or global. This is a safe space to test everything without affecting real data. Now go to the Business tab at the top and select Invoices. On the right side, click on Invoice Settings. This is where all your invoice templates and branding themes are stored. Here you'll see something called branding themes. These themes control how your invoices look when sent to clients. Click New Branding Theme, then choose Upload Own Template. Now, Xero lets you upload a custom docx file. That's a Word document you've formatted for your invoice. Click Upload, choose your file, and give your template a name. Once uploaded, Xero will merge your company data with the placeholders inside that document when you send invoices. If you don't have a template yet, you can download a sample template from this page and customize it in Word. After uploading, click Save. Now, whenever you create a new invoice, you can select this custom format from the branding theme dropdown before sending it to a client. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your custom invoice format in Xero. From now on, every invoice you send can look exactly the way you want, with your logo, colors, and design. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to make a tutorial on how to customize your Xero invoice fields or add your company logo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.